Right! Our 3D printed robot arm has now its controller. So here's the circuit. I use Arduino Nano as our microcontroller. So I have installed two joysticks to control the robot arm to make it move left and right, up and down. So I have also installed two push button switches. So these buttons controls the gripper. So if I push this button, the gripper will open. If I push this button, the gripper will close. So let's check it out if it works. So if I move the joystick, the first joystick left, it should go left. If I move the joystick right, it should go right. Okay, if I move the joystick up, the arm will go upwards or backwards, rather. And if I push the button or the joystick forward, it should go forward, backward, forward. Then this second joystick is for the wrist to make it move up or down. So if I move the joystick downward, it goes upward. If I move the joystick downward or forward rather, it goes downward. Upward, downward, upward, downward. Then for the gripper, if I push this button, this one, the gripper will open. If I push this button, the gripper will close. Open, close, open, close, open, close. So that's all. Thank you.